Today I am going to discuss about the ellipse chapter. That is, already you have to know the standard form of the ellipse. The standard form of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This theorem already you have to prove in the last class. Here b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. B square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square. In this ellipse we have four forms. That is, first one is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here a is greater than b. A is greater than b. And then second one is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Here it is a less than b. And next third one is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here a is greater than 1. In first two cases the center is 0 comma 0. Here the ellipse is the center is 0 comma 0 and third form has the center is h comma k. Third form of the center is h comma k. Today I am going to discuss about the next form. That is, the fourth form is x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here it is the bb dash is the major axis and minor axis. A and a dash are the vertices. S and s dash are the foci. And then we have to find the center of the ellipse is in the form of a less than b is center h comma k, and vertices is, what are the formulas of vertices here? H comma b plus k and h comma k minus b. And next one is foci. Foci is h comma k plus or minus be. This is s, this is h dash. And equation of the directrices is y minus k is equal to plus or minus b by e. Y minus k is equal to plus or minus b by e. This is the directrices formula. Finding the equation of the directrice, use this one. And then next one is major axis and minor axis. Here major axis is parallel to x axis, then the equation is x minus h is equal to 0, and minor axis is parallel to y axis, and then equation is y minus k is equal to 0. Here length of the major axis is denoted by bb dash. bb dash is equal to 2b. Length of the minor axis is denoted by aa dash. The length is 2a. Here the eccentricity is square root of b square minus a square by b square. Square root of b square minus a square by b square. Then length of the lattice rectum is 2a square by b. Depending on these formulas, we have to do one problem. Here is the problem is there. Find the length of the major axis, minor axis and lattice rectum, eccentricity and center, foci and equation of the directrices of the given formula. This can be converted into the ellipse standard form. That is, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. This given equation we have to convert this one. Okay. The given equation is 4x square plus y square minus 8x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. We have to rearrange this one. First we have to rearrange as x terms, 4x square minus 8x plus, and then y terms, y square plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. In first two terms we have common is 4. That is x square minus 2x plus y square. 2y can be written as 2 into 1 into 1, y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is also we have to written is in the form of x minus h whole square. Here constant term is not there. Then I am writing here like this. X square minus 2 into 1 into x. We have to add and subtract 1. Add and subtract 1 here. And then this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. This can be written as y plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That is 4 into up to here this is in the form of x square minus 2x1 into 1 plus 1. This is in the form of a minus b whole square formula, that is x minus 1 whole square, and then minus 1 plus y plus 1 can be written as y minus of minus 1. Y minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then 4 into x minus 1 whole square minus 4 into 1 is 4 plus y minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Then 4 will go to the right hand side. Then 4 into x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 whole square is equal to 4. Dividing throughout the equation with 4, then what we get here, x minus 1 whole square by 1. Similarly, y plus 1 whole square by 4 is equal to 1. This is in the form of x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Y minus k whole square by b square is equal to 1. Here the center h comma k. What is the value of h here? 1, and k is minus 1. Center 1 comma minus 1, and similarly a square is equal to 1. Here the value of a is 1, and then b square is equal to 4. The value of b is here 2, and then we have to find the foci. Foci is, what is the formula of foci here? In this form, in the foci is h comma k plus or minus be, plus be and minus be. First we have to find the foci. Here already you know the values of h, k and b also, but you don't know the value of e, that is eccentricity. What is the formula of eccentricity? Is square root of b square minus a square by b square. Square root of b square minus a square by b square. That's why I am writing here. The value of eccentricity is square root of b square minus a square by b square. Already you know the value of b square is 4. Substitute here 4 minus 1 by 4. Here root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2. The eccentricity is root 3 by 2, and center is h comma k, and eccentricity up to here we have to find. And then foci. What is the formula of foci here? Foci is h comma k plus or minus be. Already you know the values of all h, k and b and e. Substitute here. What is the value of h here? 1, and k is minus 1 plus or minus. What is the value of b here? 2. Substitute here. B 2 into root 3 by 2. 2 get cancelled here. Then the foci is 1 comma minus 1 plus or minus root 3. Minus 1 plus or minus root 3. This is the foci. And then we have to find the value of equation of directrices. Equation of directrices. What is the formula of equation of directrices here? Already you know that equation of directrices is y minus k is equal to plus or minus b by e. Y minus k is equal to plus or minus b by e. Equation of directrices. Y minus k is equal to plus or minus b by e. Already you know the value of k is minus 1, that is y minus of minus 1 is equal to plus or minus and the value of B is 2. 2 by value of E is root 3 by 2. It will becomes here root 3 by 2 into y minus of minus 1 is plus 1 is equal to plus or minus 2. This is the equation of directrices, and then we have to find the values of length of major axis and minor axis. The length of the major axis is, here the formula is 2b. Here the major axis is 2b and the minor axis is 2a. That's why you have to find the value of length of major axis. Length of major axis is 2b. The value of b is, the value of b is 2, that is 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Similarly, length of minor axis is 2a. Length of minor axis is 2a. Already you know the value of a is 1. Then substitute here, 2 into 1 is 2. This is the way you have to find the convert into the ellipse form, and then we have to find the center, foci and eccentricity, length of the major axis, minor axis and equation of the directrices. And then we are going to the next problem, that is we are going to the next one is find the equation of ellipse. Find the equation of ellipse with focus at 1 comma minus 1 and eccentricity also given. E is equal to 2 by 3 and the directrices is x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. We know the definition of ellipse. By the definition of ellipse is SP by PM is equal to E. SP by PM is equal to E. Here S is the focus and P is any point on the ellipse and PM is the directrices and E is the eccentricity. Here we have to know that let P x comma y is any point on the ellipse. That is, we have to write here SP by PM is equal to E. This can be written as SP is equal to E into PM. SP is equal to E into PM. That's why you have to find the value of SP. That is distance between the focus and the point. Distance formula is 2 points for 2 point distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y minus of minus 1 is plus 1 whole square is equal to, what is the value of E here? 2 by 3. And PM is perpendicular distance from P x comma y to the directrix. What is the directrix here? X plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x minus 1 whole square. Squaring on both sides here. First we have to squaring on both sides here. Then x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 by 3 means here 4 by 9. Then the perpendicular distance between the point to the directrix is x plus y plus, what is the equation here? X plus y plus 2 by square root of x, and x coefficient is 1 and similarly y coefficient also 1, that is square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Here we have to write here squaring on both sides, that we have to write here x minus 1 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square is equal to 4 by 9 into x plus y plus 2 whole square by root 2 whole square is nothing but 2. Here this 2 will cancel here 2 times. Okay, and then cross multiplication, we can get here 9 into x minus 1 whole square plus 9 into y plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x plus y plus 2 whole square. Already you know the formula of a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Then substitute here x square plus 1 minus 2x here in the form of a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2 into here a plus b plus c whole square, that is the formula is a square plus b square plus c square and then 2ab, that is 2xy, and 2bc, that is 2 into 2 is 4, 4y, 2ca, and next one is 2ca, that is 2 into 2 into x, that is 4x. Okay, and then we have to multiply here 9x square plus 9 minus 18x plus 9y square plus 9 plus 18y. Then right hand side will become here for left hand side, that is 2x square 2y square minus 8 minus 4xy minus 8y minus 8x is equal to 0. Minus 8x is equal to 0. Here 9x square minus 2x square, that is 7x square, and then 9y square plus 9y square minus 2y square, that is 7y square, and then xy term is there, that is minus 4xy, and then minus 18x minus 18x minus 8x, that is minus 26x, and then y terms is here 18y and here minus 8y, that is plus 10y, and then constant terms here 9 plus 9 18, 18 minus 8 is 10, plus 10 is equal to 0. This is the equation of ellipse. For finding, they given the values first ellipse and focus and equation of directrix. You have to find the equation of ellipse in this way. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. Here some results are there. Before going to the problem, depending on that one, some result is there. That is, distance between the foci of an ellipse in the standard form is 2ae. Already you know the foci values. S is equal to ae comma 0 and s dash is minus ae comma 0. The distance between S and S dash is 2ae. The distance between S and S dash is 2ae. And next result also there. The distance between the directrices, here two directrices is there. The distance between the 1 and 2 directrices is 2a by e. That is, x is equal to what is the directrices here? A by e and minus a by e, that is x plus or x is equal to plus or minus a by e. These are the directrices. The distance between the directrices is 2a by e. We must remembering these 2 points. The distance between the foci is 2ae and the distance between the directrices is 2a by e. And then we are going to based on the problems like this. Find the equation of the ellipse. Find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form whose distance between the foci is 2. Distance between the foci is 2 and the length of the latus rectum is 15 by 2. And the length of the latus rectum is 15 by 2. Ellipse standard form is, what is the standard form of the ellipse here? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. They given distance between the foci. Distance between the foci, already you have to know the result of distance between the foci is 2ae is equal to 2. Here 2 will get cancelled here. we get AE is equal to 1. AE is equal to 1, and then length of the latest rectum also given, that is 15 by 2. The standard form of the length of the latest rectum is length of latest rectum is 2b square by A. Standard form of the length of the latest rectum is 2b square by A. They given 15 by 2, that is 2b square by A is equal to 15 by 2. Already you know the value of b square is. What is the value of b square here? A square into 1 minus e square. Then substitute in place of b square here. 2 into a square 1 minus e square by a is equal to 15 by 2. Already you know the distance between the foci is AE is equal to 1. Already you have to find this one. Then substitute the value of AE here, that is 2a square minus 2a square e square. Cross multiplication we can get here 15a. Applying cross multiplication we get the value here. This is 4a square, that is 4 into a square is nothing but AE whole square, that is equal to 15a. Substitute the value of A is equal to 1 here, that is 4a square minus 4 into 1 whole square is equal to 15a. 4a square minus 15a minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in A. Then find the factors like this. 4a square, 4 4s 16, that is 4a square minus 16a plus a minus 4 is equal to 0. In first two terms we have common is 4a, that is 4a into a minus 4. Here 1 will common here. A minus 4 is equal to 0. Total in equation a minus 4 is common. For a minus 4 into 4a plus 1 is equal to 0. Here two values of a has, a is 4 and another a is minus 1 by 4. But in the standard form a is greater than b, but we are not considering the minus 4. Then therefore a is equal to 4. We know the value of a and e. Then you have to find the value of b square is a square into 1 minus b square. Then a square is 4 whole square into 1 minus e square is e square. The value of e already they given. The value of AE is equal to 1. Here substitute the value of a. AE is equal to 1. Already you know this one. Then we have to substitute the value of a here. That is 4e is equal to 1. E is equal to 1 by 4. E is equal to 1 by 4. Substitute here. 1 by 4 whole square means 1 by 16. That is 16 into 15 by 16. 16 get cancelled. Then the value of b square is 15. Here we have to find the value of a square also is a is equal to 4. A square is equal to 16. Okay, you know the value of a square and b square also. Then write the ellipse standard form is. Standard form of the ellipse is. Standard form of ellipse is x square by a square. X square by a square. A square is 16 plus y square by x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 15 is equal to 1. This is the standard form of the ellipse. This is the way to find they given the values of distance between the foci and length of the latest rectum. You have to find the equation of the ellipse. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. Here also find the equation of ellipse. Refer to it as major axis and minor axis, that is the coordinates of x comma y respectively with latest rectum of length 4 Latest rectum means 2b square by a is equal to 4 and distance between the foci is 4 root 2. Given length of the latest rectum. Length of the latest rectum is 2b square by a is equal to 4 and the distance between the foci is 2ae is equal to 4 root 2. Here 2 will cancel here 2 times, that is ae is equal to 2 root 2. ae is equal to 2 root 2. Here the value of b square is a square into 1 minus e square by a is equal to 4. Then cross multiplication we can get here 2a square minus 2a square e square is equal to 4a. In place of ae we substitute the value of 2 root 2, that is 2a square minus 2 into ae whole square is equal to 4a. Then already we know the value of ae is 2 root 2. Substitute here 2a square minus 2 into 2 root 2 whole square is equal to 4a. 2 root 2 whole square is nothing but 8. Then substitute here 8. 2 into 8 is equal to 4a. In left hand side 2 is common is there. Then that is a square minus 8 is equal to 4a. Here 2 will cancel here how many times? 2 times. A square minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation in a. We have to find the roots like this. Here is in the way. That is 4 2's 8. 4a plus 2a minus 8 is equal to 0. A into a minus 4. Here 2 will common here. A minus 4 is equal to 0. A minus 4 is common in total equation. A plus 2 is equal to 0. That is a is equal to 4 comma minus 2. But we are not taking the negative value here. Then we have to take the value of a is 4. Then b square. We have to find the value of b square is a square into 1 minus e square. You know the value of a square, a is 4 and e is, what is the value of e here? ae is equal to 2 root 2. ae is equal to 2 root 2. Then ae is equal to 2 root 2. Then substitute the value of a here. 4e is equal to 2 root 2. E is equal to 2 root 2 by 4. Here 2 will cancel 2 times. Again root 2 will cancel here root 2 times. That is value of E is 1 by root 2. Then substitute the value of E here. 1 by root 2 whole square. That is 4 whole square is 16. 1 minus 1 by 2. That is equal to 16 into 1 by 2. 2 will cancel here 8 times. That it becomes b square is equal to 8 and a square also 8. Then standard form of the ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. That is x square by 8 plus y square by 8 is equal to 1. That implies x square plus y square is equal to 8. This is the standard form of the ellipse and eccentricity is 1 by root 2. Eccentricity is 1 by root 2. This is where how to find the length of the given length of the latest rectum and distance between the foci is, and we have to find the equation of the ellipse. And then we are going to the next problem is find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form such that the distance between the foci is 8. The distance between the foci is 8 and distance between the directrices is 32. Given, already you know that distance between the foci is 2ae. Distance between the foci is, distance between the foci is 8. That is 2ae is equal to 8. 2 will cancel here 4 times. AE is equal to 4. We have to write it as equation 1. And then distance between the directrices. Distance between the directrices is 4. Distance between the directrices is 4. That is 2a by e is equal to 4. Here 2 will cancel here 2 times. A by e is equal to 2. This is equation 2. Then you have to multiply 1 into 2. From 1 and 2, AE into A by E. What is the value of AE here? 4. And A by E is 2. Then E get cancelled here. A square is equal to 8. A square is equal to 8. And then you have to find the value of B square. Before finding the value of B square, then find the value of E. That is, we know that, already you know that AE is equal to 4. Then substitute the value of A here. What is the value of A square is equal to 8 means then the value of A is 2 root 2. Then E is equal to 4 by 2 root 2. Here 2 will get cancelled 2 times. Here root 2 will cancel here 2 times. That is E is equal to root 2. E is equal to root 2. Then find the value of B square. B square is equal to A square into 1 minus E square. The value of A square is 8. And E square is root 2 whole square. That is 8 into 1 minus 2. That is 8 into, here the value is root 2 here. AE is equal to 4. Then find the equation of the ellipse in the standard form is the distance between the directrices is here 32. Distance between the is here it is 32 here. That is, we substitute the value of 32. Here how many times? 16 times. Here it is 16. Then substitute the value of A is A by E. A by E is 16. A by E is 16 here. Then A square is equal to 16 fourths. 16 fourths is 64. A square is equal to A square is equal to 64 and the value of A is 8 here. Then substitute the value is A is equal to 4 in between the value you have to find the value is A is equal to 8. Then substitute here A square is equal to AE is equal to 4. That is the value is 8. 8 into E is equal to 4. E is equal to 1 by 2. That is the value of A square. A square is A square is 64 into 1 by 2 whole square. That is 1 by 4. 64 into 3 by 4. Here 4 will cancel here 16 times. That is the value of B square is equal to 48 and the value of A square is equal to 64. And the equation of the ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square is equal to 1. That is x square by 64 plus y square by 48 is equal to 1. Okay, and again you have to do the problem like this. Here the equation, find the equation of ellipse. They given the distance between the foci is 8 and directrices is 32. That is 2AE is equal to 4. AE is equal to 4. Then equation of the directrix is 32. That is 2a by e is equal to 32. A by e is equal to 16. Then substitute the value of ae and a by e. Then we can get the value of 8. A is 8 and then b square is equal to a square into 1 minus e square, that is 64 into 1 minus 1 by 4. Then the value of b square is 48. Then substitute the value of the standard form is in a square is equal to 64, b square is equal to 48. This is the standard form of the ellipse. Okay, and then we are going to the next problem. Find the eccentricity of an ellipse if its length of the lattice rectum is equal to half of its major axis. In standard form, the major axis is 2b. In standard form, the major axis is 2b. Major axis is 2b. And length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by a. These two are equal to half of the major axis, that is given 2b square by a is equal to half of the major axis, that is 2 to get cancelled here. 2b square is equal to ab. Here bb cancel here. A is equal to 2b. They find the value of eccentricity. In standard form, the eccentricity, the value of eccentricity is square root of a square minus b square by a square. Already you know the value of a. A is how much here? 2b. That is 2b square minus b square by 2b square by a square. That the value of a is 2b. Then substitute the value of 2b square. That is 4b square. That is square root of b square by 4b square. B square get cancelled here. Square root of 1 by 4, that is equal to 1 by 2. And then here we have to find the major axis. They given major axis and length of the lattice rectum is half of the major axis. And another way we have to find the value of, next one is length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis of an ellipse. Then find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Then length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by a and minor axis is 2a. Minor axis is 2a. That is the given hypothesis. Lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. Length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice rectum is equal to half of its minor axis. That is 2b square by a is equal to 2 to cancel here. Then we can get here a. 2b square is equal to a square. Then we have to find the value of eccentricity. That is E is square root of a square minus b square by a square. That is equal to 2b square minus b square by 2b square. 2b square minus b square is b square. Square root of b square by 2b square. B square get cancelled here. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. This is the way how to find given the minor axis and length of the lattice rectum. The eccentricity is 1 by root 2. And then next one is, if the length of the major axis of an ellipse is 3 times of the length of the minor axis, and find the eccentricity of the ellipse. 3 times length of the major axis. Length of the major axis is 2b and length of the minor axis is 2a. That is 3. Given 2b is equal to 3 times of 2a. That is given 2b is equal to 3 into 2a. Here 2 2 will get cancelled here. B is equal to 3a. B is equal to 3a. Then substitute the value of, find the eccentricity is equal to square root of a square minus b square by, sorry, b square minus a square by, eccentricity is equal to square root of b square minus a square by b square, that is equal to square root of, what is the value of b here? 3a. 9a square by minus a square by b square. A square is 9, b a square. Nine a square, that is equal to square root of 8a square by 9a square. A square get cancelled here. 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. And then we are going to the next problem. Is S and T are the foci of the ellipse and B is the end of the minor axis. STB is equilateral triangle. Then find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Here it is x and y axis. Here it is the equilateral triangle. STB is an equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. That is, in equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. That is, ST is equal to TB is equal to SB. Here we have to the S and T are the foci of the ellipse. The value of S is equal to AE comma 0. Value of S is equal to AE comma 0 and T is negative side, that is the foci is AE comma 0. AE comma 0 and the value of B is, we have to take it is in the y-axis, that is 0 comma b. This is the major axis of the minor axis one end. Here it is 0 comma b. Here it is b dash. Here it is 0 comma minus b. Okay, one end is 0 comma b, another end is 0 comma minus b. Taking the values of st is equal to tb. St is equal to TB. Already you know the values of S, T and B. Then squaring on both sides, we get here ST square is equal to TB whole square. ST whole square is equal to TB whole square. Then the distance between S and T is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is, the value of S is AE comma 0 and T is minus AE comma 0 and B is 0 comma B. ST is AE minus of minus AE whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square is 0 and TB whole square. TB whole square is, the distance between the two is minus AE minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus B whole square. Here the square and root get cancelled here. Then we can get here AE minus of minus AE is 2AE is equal to 2AE is equal to here AE whole square plus BE whole square. 2AE whole square is equal to AE whole square plus B square. AE whole square minus AE whole square is AE square minus B whole square is B square. Then substitute the value of B square. Here for 2AE whole square is 4A square E square. Here also A square E square. The value of B square, already you know the value of B square is A square into 1 minus E square. That is 4A square E square is equal to A square E square plus A square minus A square E square. Minus A E square E square plus A square E square get cancelled here. Then 4A square E square is equal to A square. A square also get cancelled here. 4 e square is equal to 1. E square is equal to 1 by 4. E square is equal to 1 by 4. Then the value of eccentricity is 1 by square root of 1 by 4. That is equal to 1 by 2. The value of eccentricity is 1 by 2. Here they given S and T are the foci of the ellipse and B is one under the minor axis. Then we can get here S is AE comma 0, T is minus AE comma 0 and minor axis one point is 0 comma B. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. We take ST is equal to TB and then we have to applying the formula. Then we can get here the value of E is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, thank you. We will continue in the next class.